Hello, I'm Shelley. I'm going to introduce you to some of the most unique fridge storage products Tupperware has to offer. Here we have the Fridge Smart system, which is unique in that it has this advanced valve technology that keeps your fruits and vegetables fresher longer. Next, we have the flat-out containers. These are ideal for those that are on the go. If you take your lunch to work, this is the perfect storage container for you. And look how nifty it keeps when you store it. And lastly, we have the stuffable storage containers. Now, the unique lid design is perfect for those oddly shaped food items that may be bulky, like a head of broccoli or a turkey leg. It also allows you to decrease the air inside of the container, keeping your food fresh. These unique Tupperware fridge storage products are the perfect solution for storing your food, keeping it fresher longer, and organizing your refrigerator.